Mastering quantifiers. Dodge the pitfalls. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to tackle a challenging aspect of the English language, using quantifiers like many, few, some, any, and a lot of. These little words are crucial for expressing quantity, but they're also common sources of mistakes. Don't worry, though, we're here to guide you through them and offer some practice exercises to make sure you've nailed them down. Let's get started. Quantifiers help us express how much or how many of something we're talking about. However, they're not always interchangeable, and using the wrong one can change the meaning of your sentence or even make it incorrect. Here are some common mistakes. 1. Many and few are typically used with countable nouns, while much and little are used with uncountable nouns. Saying, "I have many money," instead of, "I have a lot of money," is a common mistake. 2. Some and any can be tricky. Some is usually used in positive sentences and offers, while any is used in negative sentences and questions. If you say, "I don't have some apples," it's a mistake. It should be, "I don't have any apples." 3. A lot of can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns in positive sentences. But it's often incorrectly used in negative sentences or questions. For example, "Don't you have a lot of sugar?" should be, "Don't you have any sugar?" Now, let's apply what we've learned. For each of the following sentences, try to spot the mistakes and correct them. 1. There are a lot of persons in the park. 2. I don't need some advice. 3. He has few books that he hasn't read. These exercises will test your understanding of how to use these quantifiers correctly. Remember to take your time and think about countable and uncountable nouns, as well as the positive or negative context. Did you spot the mistakes and fix them? Let's check. 1. There are a lot of people in the park. People is the correct term for referring to more than one person. 2. I don't need any advice. Any should be used in negative sentences instead of some. 3. He has a few books that he hasn't read. Here, we mean that he has a small number of books, not hardly any books, so a few is the correct quantifier. Mastering the use of many, few, some, any, and a lot of can make your English sound more fluent and accurate. It might seem tricky at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Remember, even native English speakers make mistakes with these words sometimes. So keep practicing, and you'll get better every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.